Did you know billions of dollars are given away every year specifically to support women, youth, and underserved communities? These grants exist because governments and tax laws encourage philanthropy that strengthens communities and expands economic opportunity. Understanding how this system works can unlock major funding opportunities for nonprofits, educators, and professionals serving these communities. Today, we'll look at 5 major grant programs funding women and youth initiatives. Large foundations and corporations often receive tax incentives when they support charitable initiatives. 2 key legal frameworks make this possible. Internal Revenue Code Section 170, which allows donors and corporations to deduct charitable contributions from taxable income. Then there is Internal Revenue Code Section 4942. This requires private foundations to distribute roughly 5% of their assets every year. This rule alone generates tens of billions of dollars in grant funding annually. Many foundations focus on programs that expand education, entrepreneurship, and economic mobility for women and young people. Grant number 1, Echoing Green Fellowship, one of the best-known programs supporting early-stage social entrepreneurs. Funding typically ranges from approximately $80,000 to $90,000 over 2 years. Focus areas include youth programs, education initiatives, and social entrepreneurship. Applications typically open in June and close in August. Grant number 2, the SCHOL Awards for Social Innovation. They fund organizations building solutions to social challenges. Funding range is significant, from $100,000 to $2 million. Focus areas include youth empowerment, education innovation, and human rights. Applications usually open in August and September, closing in December. Grant number 3, the Kellogg Foundation. They distribute hundreds of millions of dollars annually. Their focus is on education for children, economic opportunity, and community development. Grant amounts typically range from $50,000 to multi-million-dollar initiatives. Grant number 4, Open Society Foundations, one of the largest philanthropic organizations in the world. Funding ranges from $50,000 up to $5 million depending on the initiative. Focus areas include civic education, economic mobility, and public policy innovation. Grant number 5, the Annie E. Casey Foundation, focusing on children and families. Focus areas include youth workforce programs and family stability initiatives. To access these grants, organizations usually need to operate as registered nonprofits and run education programs. You must demonstrate measurable community impact and partner with community organizations. Let's run simple math. Imagine a nonprofit secures $300,000 in grant funding. If the program trains 150 participants and even 20 launch businesses, generating $75,000 annually each, that creates $1.5 million in new economic activity. That is exactly the kind of measurable impact foundations want to fund. Lawyers, accountants, and advisors often work with clients who care about community impact. Professionals can explore training programs at lawfirminabox.com to integrate these strategies. Visit grantsforai.com and explore the open grants that you might be able to qualify for. You can also book a pro bono consultation or attend a free grant matching event. Good luck!